In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google AI Studio to Supabase step-by-step tutorial 2026. We'll walk through creating a fresh Supabase project, grabbing the connection details you need, prompting Google AI Studio to generate the code for you, and then running that code in Supabase so you can verify the results. I'll explain each step clearly so you know not just what to click, but why you're doing it. Start by opening the Supabase dashboard and heading to the page where you create a new project. Click Create New Project, choose your organization, and give your project a clear name so you can recognize it later. Pick a region close to you for best performance, set a strong database password, and let Supabase provision the instance. This may take a minute. Once your project is ready, open it and go straight to Project Settings. In the settings, locate the section labeled Data API. You'll see the Data API URL for your project. Copy this URL and save it somewhere safe. You'll need it in Google AI Studio to point code at the correct database. Next, open the API Keys section in the same settings area. Copy the key you plan to use and store it securely. Treat keys like a password, don't share them publicly, and avoid pasting them into untrusted places. If you're testing locally, plan to load them from environment variables rather than hard coding them. Now switch over to Google AI Studio and start a new chat. Then go to Your Apps, open your app or project, and enter the prompt you prepared for this workflow. The idea is to tell AI Studio that you want to connect to your Supabase database using your Data API URL and API key, and that it should generate the code or SQL needed for your use case. Follow up with the second prompt provided for this tutorial, and when AI Studio returns the generated code, copy it. Read through it to make sure it references your Data API URL in the right place and that any credentials are handled as variables, not embedded directly in the code. Head back to Supabase and open the SQL editor. Paste the generated SQL or code snippet there, review it one last time, and then run it. You should see a success message if everything executed correctly. Finally, open your database tables to confirm the changes. Refresh if needed and verify that the expected tables or rows are present. If something doesn't show up, double-check the prompts you used and ensure the connection details match your project. That's it. You've connected Google AI Studio to Supabase and executed the workflow end-to-end.